Tools. Definitely bed scraper. Solid. Not a bad choice either. If you got a sand shit, works very well. This. Mandatory for putting parts together. And the razors. I use the shit out of these. The electrical tape, it's alright. It's alright. But that tape, pretty solid. As well as that one. Keep your bed clean. Use dish soap. For notes. Painter's tape for sure. Fix a tacoed bed like that. This whole printer, this is enclosed with foam panels from DollarTree. Don't get me wrong, it's not the most rugged, but I feel like that insulates better than acrylic does. Normally, they have it in the pencils and notebooks and stuff in that section, but they were out of it. Made in USA. Good stuff. Forget about the glue sticks from there. Trash. But these, organize your hardware. They didn't have any of these either, but these are nice. 4.5 hours left. Little stringy, but decent. I almost forgot. They were out of these too. The brass brushes. It's a kit where it's like brass, like stainless steel or aluminum. It's like a silver brushed one, and then plastic. The brass one is my favorite, but all of them are great. The plastic one is cool. The plastic one works really good for cleaning off the V-roller wheels, getting all of that powder off of it. Let's see. Yeah, that one with the plastic brush. But the nozzle, this works great for cleaning the nozzle. So if y'all got any ballin' on a budget tips, whether it's from DollarTree, Dollar General, Harbor Freight, some cheap shit that works well, let me know.